After a month of holiday parties, Christmas cookies, and many just one more bites, it's time to pull in our reins and start eating better. So whether you made a New Year's resolution to eat better or not, we've got a dish that's on the healthier side, packed with flavor, and is very fun to eat. Here's what we do. We start by cutting a couple of boneless, skinless chicken breasts into half-inch chunks and placing them in a plastic storage bag. To that, we add some soy sauce, minced garlic, and a bit of ground ginger. After we seal the bag, we give it a good shake so all the flavors mix before popping it in the fridge. While that's marinating, we rinse and separate a head of Bibb lettuce, or you can use romaine or iceberg, and place it on a platter along with some shredded carrot, fresh bean sprouts, and sliced scallions. Now, after draining off the marinade, we saute the chicken until no pink remains, which means it's ready to serve. For the fun part, we simply place a spoonful of chicken on each lettuce leaf and top it with the other fixins. Drizzle on some sesame or peanut dressing and dig in. I hope you'll go online and get the recipe for our chicken lettuce wraps as a way to help you get back on track without sacrificing any taste. And make sure you have lots of napkins on hand, because these can get kind of messy. In a good way. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a lighter way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.